When a builder's work is defective, a common question is whether the homeowner or principal is required to allow the builder back on site to fix the defects. And the answer is, it depends on the terms of the contract and legal rights available to both parties. Generally, if a contract provides a right to rectify defects, or if statutory warranties apply, the builder may have an entitlement to return and complete remedial work. But that entitlement is subject to compliance with the contract terms, proper notice, and reasonable conditions. Parties should consider whether the defects fall within the scope of rectification obligations, whether appropriate opportunities to inspect, serve notices, or agree on a time for remedial work have been afforded, and whether the contract or law permits alternative remedies. In many contracts, there are express defect provisions specifying how and when the builder may return to formally remedy defective works, including notice periods, standards of workmanship, and the allocation of costs. Strict compliance with these procedures is often required, and failure to follow contractual steps can affect the availability of remedies. Where statutory warranties apply, such as those implied by legislation, principles must be considered, whether the builder has a right to rectify those statutory terms and whether the defects fall within the scope of the statutory obligations. Even where a right to return exists, a principal may have legitimate reasons to refuse access, such as safety concerns, failure to meet insurance or compliance requirements, or unreasonable timing, and such refusal should be communicated clearly with supporting reasons. Contractual rights and obligations must be balanced with good faith and reasonableness in arranging access for remedial work. Parties should seek legal advice early to clarify whether the builder's request to return is enforceable, the impact of refusing access, and what alternative remedies may be available if compliance is uncertain. Contact us today for a free 30-minute consultation with one of our experienced team of litigation professionals, and let us help you protect your rights.